Hello students, in today's session we will be discussing about the users of accounting information. We'll be going to discuss that who are the users of our financial information, who uses the financial results of a business. So there are two users. First one is internal users. Now who are the internal users? Internal users, those who are having a direct interest in our business enterprise, or you can say those who are directly related with our business, that is owners and management. External users are the users who use the financial information of our business for their own various purpose, for their own benefits, okay, but they are not directly related with the business, but they are having a stake in the business. They are a important part of a management, right? Like for example, short-term creditors, long-term creditors, employees, tax authorities, government, public and competitor. So in today's session we will be discussing about the motives of their using the financial information, that why they use the financial information of our enterprise, what is the motives behind using that. So first, here I have taken an internal users. In this, first I am going to discuss about the motives of owners, why the owner use the financial information of our business. See, as we all know, owners invest capital in a business, right? What is their role? Their role is to invest capital in a business. So obviously those who are the investors of our business, investors are always interested to know the profitability of an enterprise, because their return is always depend upon the profitability of a business, right? जितना ज़्यादा company profit earn करेगी, the more they will be getting a return on it, right? So owner is always interested to know about the profitability. Also they are interested to know the financial soundness, financial strength of a business. That means when I am saying financial strength, that means they are very much interested to know about the value of your assets of an enterprise. आपके business के जो assets हैं, valuable properties हैं, उनकी वैल्यू के जानने के बारे में वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं, बिकॉज जितनी ज़्यादा आपकी फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ होगी, जितनी ज़्यादा आपकी असेट्स की वैल्यूएशन होगी, उतनी ही ज़्यादा उनको, ओनर्स को बेनिफिट मिलेगा, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली दे आर द रियल यूजर्स of your financial statements, okay? They are having more stake in your business, right? Then talking about the management, if I talk about, so management role is to make a efficient utilization of a resources. business के अंदर जितने भी resources हैं, whether capital, human, so they have to make an efficient and they have to do a smooth running of a business. So how they can do that, okay, right? इनका रोल क्या होता है? डिसीजन लेना, प्लानिंग करना, पॉलिसीज़ बनाना. बट फॉर दैट दे ऑल्सो नीड्स अ फाइनेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन. इस प्लानिंग करने के लिए, डिसीजन लेने के लिए भी इनको फाइनेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन की ज़रूरत होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर इफ़ दे वांट टू डिटरमाइन द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ एनी प्रोडक्ट, अगर किसी प्रोडक्ट की सेलिंग प्राइस डिटरमाइन करनी है, सो फॉर दैट दे have to know the cost of that particular product, total cost of that particular product. So there are various internal report which are used by the management, right, which is only used by the management to take a decisions on various things, right? So management use the financial information especially for decision making, for planning, for framing various policies. Then next, if I talk about, that is external users. As I discussed, external users are those who are a part of management, who having a stake in a business, but they are not directly related with our business. So they generally use a external report. एक्सटर्नल मतलब जो पब्लिकली अवेलेबल होती है, पब्लिश रिपोर्ट जिसको हम बोलते हैं. बैलेंस शीट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. नाउ दिस इज न्यू वर्ड, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. Cash flow statement means the statement which give the information about cash inflow and cash outflow of a business. Cash कितना आ रहा है, cash कितना जा रहा है during the year of a accounting period, right? So external users हमेशा publicly available reports को use करते हैं, right? उनमें से सबसे पहला कौन सा यूज़र है, शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिटर्स. नाउ हु आर द शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिटर. शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिटर्स का रोल क्या होता है बिजनेस के अंदर. सी, जनरली दे आर द वन हु सप्लाई द मनी टू द एंटरप्राइज फॉर अ शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड, राइट. जो शॉर्ट टर्म, जिनसे आप शॉर्ट टर्म पर्पज़ के लिए लोन लेते हो, या फॉर एग्जांपल हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि जिनसे हम शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड के लिए रॉ मटेरियल खरीदते हैं, राइट, रॉ मटेरियल. तो ऐसे यूज़र्स हमारे फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन को क्यों यूज़ करेंगे. व्हाट इज़ द मोटिव. सो देयर मोटिव इज़ टू नो द क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस ऑफ अवर एंटरप्राइज. क्योंकि ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या हम इनके पैसे को टाइमली रीपे कर देंगे या नहीं. फॉर दैट पर्पज़ दे वांट टू नो द लिक्विडिटी पोजीशन ऑफ अवर बिजनेस. लिक्विडिटी मतलब हमारे बैलेंस शीट एंड P&L को देख के इनको क्या आइडिया आ जाता है कि क्या कंपनी के पास अवेलेबल कैश है, क्या कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल साउंडनेस अच्छी है, क्या कंपनी की क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस अच्छी है मार्केट के अंदर. क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस मतलब कि व्हाट इज़ द पास्ट रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ अ कंपनीज इन मेकिंग अ रीपेमेंट ऑफ शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स. ओके, कंपनी ने पास्ट पीरियड में शॉर्ट टर्म लोन टाइमली पे किए हैं या नहीं. सो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन इनके लिए जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, राइट. फॉर दैट पर्पज़ दे यूज़ अवर फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स. नेक्स्ट आई विल टॉक अबाउट लॉन्ग टर्म क्रेडिटर. दैट मीन्स फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो बैंक्स होती हैं. नाउ बैंक्स ऑल्सो यूजेज अवर अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन because we know that banks, when we approach the banks, so they give us the loan. So whenever any business enterprise, they need a loan, right, huge amount of a loan. So the bank normally judge the solvency position of our enterprise. Solvency position matlab banks also analyzes the various important components of our business. Like for example, they do the valuation of our assets, they do the valuation of our properties, right. ये सारी चीज़ों का वो valuation करते हैं. And after analyzing the assets and liability of a business, they give us the loan. So they always interested to know that before giving loan to us, they always interested to know that whether the enterprise will be able to repay the loan on time or not, or whether they should extend the credit period to us or not. ज़्यादा उनको टाइम देना चाहिए रीपेमेंट लोन करने के लिए या नहीं. तो they also interested to analyze the credit worthiness of our business, right. Then talking about the employees. So as we know that employees are always interested to receive a higher wages, higher salaries. They are having a demand of incentives, they are having a demand of bonus, right. So इन सारी चीज़ों को डिमांड करने के लिए they are always interested to look after the profitability position of an enterprise. And profitability position कैसे पता लगेगी? By analyzing the accounting information of our business. Also they are interested to know the regular deposit of provident fund, right. उनको ये भी पता करना होता है कि अगर कंपनी स्टेबल होगी, कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल साउंडनेस अच्छी होगी, तो वो अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को रेगुलरली प्रोविडेंट फंड डिपॉजिट करेगी, राइट. दैट्स वाई दे यूज़ द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ आवर बिजनेस. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ टैक्स अथॉरिटीज़. नाउ एज वी नो दैट tax authorities are always interested to collect the amount of taxes. On what they collect the taxes? See, the total income which you have earned during the year, or you can say the total amount of profitability which you have earned during the year. So they are always interested to know the total turnover of your business, total sales of your business, right, total profitability of your business. And on that they collect from you certain amount of taxes. Like for example, if it is a manufacturing firm, so manufacturing firm has to pay an excise duty जितना उन्होंने total manufacture किया है during the year. If it is an import and export business, so along with the GST you have to pay custom duty, right. So इनके लिए जानना ज़रूरी है कि आपने टोटल टर्नओवर कितना किया है, एंड फॉर दैट पर्पज़ टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना अर्न किया है. सो फॉर दैट पर्पज़ दे नीड अवर फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ गवर्नमेंट एंड देयर एजेंसी. नाउ what is the role of government? Why they need financial information? So their role is to frame a economic policy, trade policy to provide the subsidies to the business and to allocate the resources to the business, right? For example, if you have seen recently, the lockdown period is going on, and economic situation is very bad. If we talk about our country, so economic position is going down day by day. So during this period, our financial department of our country is coming up with various new scheme. Few days earlier, if you have seen, so Nirmala Sitharaman ji have announced a new scheme for MSME sector, that they are giving a collateral loan to the MSMEs, as well as those who are a small businessman, small entrepreneur. They can even take a collateral free loans, means without giving any guarantee of any properties, right? They can take a loan. So I mean, such type of schemes are finance department is coming up with certain type of scheme. But why to the only MSME sector? Because we know that कि MSME sector हमारे कंट्री के अंदर बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है when it comes to the economic development, right? 63.5 million ओनली हमारे इंडिया के अंदर माइक्रो इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, राइट, जिसमें से 5,000 हमारी मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस हैं. तो यू कैन इमेजिन द रोल ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस MSME सेक्टर. सो दे नो दैट गवर्नमेंट को पता है कि कौन से एरिया में, कौन से सेक्टर में उनको ज़्यादा रिसोर्स एलोकेट करना है, राइट. तो ये सारी चीज़ें उनको कैसे पता चलती हैं कि कितनी अमाउंट का लोन कितने सेक्टर को देना है. सो बेस्ड ऑन दी financial result. For that also they need the financial result of the particular sector. Okay, for example, if a financial department is giving more subsidies to the agricultural sector or to the MSME sector, more of subsidies, right? So for that purpose they also require the financial result of an enterprise of that agricultural sector and the MSME sector, right? And next one is public. Why the public will use our financial result? Public को क्या फ़ायदा होगा, public को क्या information मिलेगी? So public, like for example, they are always interested to know the information about the employment scheme, right? Yes, they are also interested to know the information about the new products. Being a customer of our business, they are interested to know that which new schemes business are coming up in a market, right? And what the business are doing for the society, for the locality. So for that purpose they use the financial results of our business. Last one is competitors. So competitor, they use our financial information to know the strength and weakness of our business, right? For example, if your company is not doing good in one particular product, so your annual reports will help them to give such information, and they can frame the policies and they can come up with certain new ideas, right, based on that information. So your reports, your published report will help them to make a new strategies. Are you getting my point? So that's why they also use the financial results of our business. I hope this video will be helpful to you to understand this topic, and if you like my video, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.